This is OPPO A79 and today I would like to share a few cool camera tips and options on this device. So to start, let's launch the camera. The first feature that I wanted to share with you today is the camera pro mode. So go into the more section here, enable the pro mode. Here you have it. The whole idea of this mode is to provide you as a user with as much manual control as humanly possible. Well, not probably as much as humanly possible, but still it provides you with a lot of manual control over the pictures you take. So here, while in the pro mode, you are able to manually set an ISO value for your picture. You can increase or decrease, just in general, change the shutter speed. You can also manage the exposure level. Also manually, you can manually set the focus distance for your camera lens and, well, manage the white balance here, as you can see. Another cool feature is called the Extra HD mode, if I'm not mistaken. So let's leave the Pro mode for now. Go into more mode section once again. Yep, Extra HD. And what it does, it just allows you to, it provides you with the most megapixels that the camera of this phone is capable. The photos will be most detailized, have the best quality, but at the same time, it will also occupy significantly more storage space. But while in the Extra HD mode, I mean let's take a photo and see how many megapixels we get out of it. So I will switch off the orientation lock, or I mean switch it on rather. Then let's go into details. Wait, just a second. So as you can see, the resolution of this picture is pretty stunning. It's 1200 by 9000. I mean 12,000 by 9000 pixels. A little more than that even. So, well, you see the resolution, the dimensions of this photo are pretty extraordinary. The file size is also a big one, 15 megabytes. What else? Let's see if we're able to spot how many megapixels were used to take a photo. I guess not, right? Yeah, I do not see the megapixels count here, but I guess you can figure it out yourself from the resolution, so that's fine. Anyway, let's get back to the camera and open settings. Let me check my notes real quick. So another very useful camera option that I wanted to share with you today is called the quick launch. So let's enable it, and once enabled, you can just launch the camera when the screen is off, or when the screen is locked, by double pressing the power key, like that. Or not. Let's actually get back to it. Quick launch, double press either volume button to launch the camera. Oh, volume button, excuse me. Yep, that's my bad, guys. In order to use this feature, you'll need to double tap the volume up or volume down keys, like that, I guess. Yep, so as you can see, the camera gets quickly launched if you it's time to move on and time for me to show the final option for this video. It is called the Show Dirty Lens Warning, and it is a very, very useful option, so make sure to switch it on and have it active at all times. What it does, it actually will warn you once your lens of your main camera is dirty, once there is some debris or dust gathered, so it will serve as a reminder for you to clean your lens. Always keep it unobstructed, always keep it tidy. So the pictures that you'll capture with this phone will not be trashed and will not be spoiled by the debris or dust that might accumulate here. So just pretty much a breaker, a fail-safe for you to always know that if your camera is dirty and you will forget to check whether it is dirty or not, the phone will always remind you about it. So a very cool feature to have. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.